I've opened up the accessories and I see there are some extra ECU pins and other useful pins in case you need to rework some of these Deutsch connectors. This is quite convenient. This is an extra adapter to the Deutsch connectors as well as the throttle body over here. But you would have to have the mating connector like this if you already happen to have a throttle body in your lab and you'd like to switch it over. So this comes in handy. And there's a really nice Kawasar USB CAN device for communications. So let's take a closer look at the wiring harness now.